IoT is stepping into a smarter, faster future, one powered by the combined force of cellular connectivity and edge computing. Together, these technologies allow devices to think and act locally while staying globally connected. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, edge computing processes data right where it's generated, on the device. This means faster response times, lower cloud costs, and better data privacy. Now add cellular connectivity to the mix. It's the glue that keeps remote and mobile devices online reliably, whether they're in trucks, factories, or city streets. Cellular gives you the scale and mobility that Wi-Fi can't. And with tools like eSIMs and multi-network access, devices can stay connected anywhere, anytime. This powerful combo is already transforming industries like transportation, manufacturing, and smart cities. Whether it's a truck adjusting routes on the fly or machines monitoring their own health in real time, Edge plus Cellular is driving a new era of intelligent automation. Of course, this setup isn't plug and play. It requires the right hardware, strong security, and experienced partners. But for businesses looking to boost efficiency and to stay ahead of the curve, this is the foundation to build on. Ready to unlock the next level of IoT? This is where it starts. For more information, please visit our website.